Good morning. Today is Friday. Time in Sydney, Australia right now is 7 a.m. Date is 30th of December. We are reaching to end of the year. Tomorrow night we're gonna have big firework in Sydney. So wherever you are in the world, Happy New Year to all of you. This is gonna be part 2 for the updating the Bitcoin and gold price, the prediction we did 20 hours ago. I'm gonna update this and just to see what's happening. Before I do this, in the name of who, please pause the video and read this disclaimer. I go to the chart and then we see what happened. For the Bitcoin, yesterday 20 hours ago we announced if the price goes under this horizontal line, which is level of $16,408 US dollar, if the price come under here, we wait for the selling, and then if the price goes above this line, we get the arrow, we can sell it to this level. Okay, the price did not come, so this prediction still is valid. So it's nothing happening yet. In trading, the key to the success is patience. You don't actually jump to the trade without analyzing the market. If you don't want to do this and you just want to trade, as you open the chart, you better go to casino and put on the red or black. You have more chance to win if you don't have any knowledge to analyze the chart. So we say on that first video which we upload 20 hours ago, I said if the price come in and pass through this. Okay, price has not passed, price is above it. We need to see price coming past this line, going under it, goes above it, then we get the arrow to sell. This is valid. Let me see if we have any trade or not. Okay, I find this one now just in front of you. Look at this. I'm talking about this selling hidden support and resistance in the past. The price is under it, went above, and we got the arrow. It's just let me change it to another level. Maybe we change to this level, is more accurate. Okay, sorry, you can hear the kookaburra. This is the bird in Sydney, Australia. We have kookaburra. They're singing early morning, wake me up. That's why I make all this video early morning. Anyway, this is another level. This level already got the arrow, so forget about that. I'm talking about this little candlestick. This is hidden support resistance in the past. No one would say this is very important, but this candlestick is very important. And the software give us the level. We are waiting for the price. Actually went under it. If the price goes above it, let me mark up for you guys. If the price coming up to this selling zone, and if we get the arrow like this, we can sell it to this level. Okay, this is the new prediction for the Bitcoin in 50 minutes time frame. For the recording, I only use 50 minutes time frame. We can do any time frame if you want to. So this prediction is still valid, and we have another one. So hopefully, if this happening, I'm going to make the third video. Let me adjust that and give you the level as well. This is the level I'm talking about, 16,636. Please understand this. This is for sale. We're looking at this candlestick. The price went under it. We need to go up to this selling zone area. We get the arrow, we can sell. This is for the Bitcoin. Let's see for the gold. The gold, we say this. If the price yesterday we say if the price coming under here, which did not come, and then we can buy it. So this is for buying. Okay, this is for buy, and what's happening is this: we need to see this price coming under this area of buying zone. We get the arrow to buy. We did not receive it. We have another level now. I find it before I record. For selling, the price is under it, when above it. Now if I get the arrow, I would sell it to this level of TP1, 1812 and 1809. So sometimes today before market close, if we get the arrow like this around this area, we can sell to TP1 and TP2. The prediction I did it yesterday, the price did not come under it, so still this is valid. And this one is the new one. So this prediction still is valid because this is for buying. Okay, and price did not come under here yet, so we keep eye on this one. And this one is for sale. This candlestick I'm talking about, price went under it, went above it, and now we wait for the signal to sell it to TP1 and TP2. This is for the gold in 50 minutes time frame. Okay. Last night I was looking at the chart. I saw something in the pound USD. You see this arrow I made? Because we had one level of the selling for the pound USD, price went under the horizontal line, went above it, and we got the arrow. We could sell very small amount, but we missed that. So for testing, because this is the test, I mark it up. If the price from here goes above and get the arrow, we could sell to this level. I got a screenshot for that. I'll show you the screenshot. Last night when I saw this level, I made all these lines. Even I think you can see the time I did this was 7:45 p.m. Sydney time last night. When I look at the chart, the price was here, and I saw this level. Although this level been done, but it was a small amount. But I just want to double check again. As you can see, is for sale. Price came past this horizontal line. When above it, we didn't have any arrow and hit the target. When above it again, and we got the arrow with a small amount, we could enter to the trade, which was nothing. But normally I don't do it. It's not worth it. Because if you want to enter to the market, you have to put 10 pips above this resistance, which is not worth it. And now again, when passed through it, and I said if the price goes to this area again, there is a chance if we get the arrow, we can set it to TP1, which is this black line, and TP2. This is the prediction I had last night. I did not enter to this trade. Okay, that's just for your confirmation. I've just made a screenshot just to show you how the system works. Okay, and the time was 7:45 p.m. Look at the chart now. This is live chart. As you can see, we predict here the price went right up. We got the arrow last night in middle of the night. I was asleep. I could enter to the trade for this level. TP1 and TP2 hit. Okay, so now I go one by one. If I can find any other level for the other currency, I just cherry pick all this currency and the Bitcoin and gold, because there are so many of them. I cannot babysitting every single pair. So for your Australia, I find this level for you guys. This is for buy. Let me make the line for you. just to show you. I'm talking about this candlestick. This is Euro Australia 50 minutes time frame again. Okay, the idea is for buy because we have green ball. If we have red ball is sell, if we have green is buy. Okay, the idea is the price has to go be above it, make the gap like it is. If this price coming under it, all right, past this horizontal line, and if we get the arrow signal to buy, we will buy to this level. Okay, this is prediction for the Euro Australia. Let me put a level just to show you the level as well. The level would be about 1.5733. So we're looking to buy the Euro Australia. If sometimes today before market close, and then if the price come under this area, which is our buying zone, we get the arrow signal, we can buy it to this level of 1.57. So that's for Euro Australia. Euro CAD, let me see if we have any level. Probably this one is already done. This one already done. You see, I'll show you this. When I'm saying done, it's like this. I change the color to explain to you guys. The system I do is this. I'm talking about this candlestick. Okay, when I'm saying it's done, it means this is green. Okay, the idea is this. Price has to be above it, make the gap, which there is a gap, and price has to come under it, under this horizontal line, and we get the arrow, then we can enter to this level, which already all done last night. In middle of the night I missed out, so this level is done. That's why I'm saying done. Okay, so it's not valid anymore to do. If this one coming, this one already is not worth it to risk. Same thing for this level. Look, same thing for exactly this level. This is for buy. All right, look at this. We got a small gap between this price passed through the horizontal line. We had an arrow, we could enter to the market to this. Okay, this one is been done too. So this is gonna be okay. I'm not gonna waste your time. So there is no level I can see. Maybe there is, but I have to look carefully. We go to Euro USD. We don't look at this again. It's really interesting. This is for buy. There is a gap. Price is coming out of it, goes to buying zone. We got the arrow, we could enter to the market. Okay, this one is done. So I can't see anything for the Euro USD. There is the probabilities, but I have to analyze it carefully. For New Zealand CHF, not much I can see. For pound Japan, nothing. Pound Australia, I mark up this one for you. Okay. Let me see. I'm looking at this candlestick for buy because the ball is green. Okay, there is a gap, price came under it, so it's been done. This is just for testing. Okay, we just do a test. We're not going to trade this one because when it's done, I don't do trading, but just for to show you the system. All right, if the price is already passed through here, we come here again past this horizontal line and we get the arrow, we can buy. Although this is done already, just be testing. We're not going to trade. This is just for checking. For the pound USD, I explained in the beginning of the video, so forget about this. For pound Canada, we have one level from past which we are waiting for to coming through. Nothing I can see here. This one for buy. Look, please watch this one. I change the color again to white to show you. This is more education video actually, not for prediction. I'm just teaching you how the system works for us, and we give you a level free of the charge, signal free of the charge. This is buying. Okay, look at this ball is green. The idea is price has to be above it, make the gap. Okay, this is the gap. When price came under it, we got the arrow to buy. We could buy. One more time. There is a gap, price came under it, no more signal. There is a gap, price came under this white line, we got the arrow, we could buy. Okay, and then again we had some gap, and then price huge coming down, we got another arrow, we could buy again to this. So this is a couple of times we could actually enter to buy the pound Canada, which normally I don't do. As soon as I hit the TP1, I get out of the trade. I forgot. I try to forget that trade because it's risky. Market is very risky. You get your couple of pip, then you get out of the trade. You look for another setup better. So as you can see, this one was for buy, and this actually happening. And I'll show you another one. This is for sell. Okay, I'm talking about this candlestick. The idea is that price has to be under it. Okay, price is here is under it. When above it, we got the arrow, we could sell it to this level. You see, price came under it, went above it, and we could sell it for a small margin. So this one down, this one down. So this is only that's what I said to you, trying to show you the system. We got another level here for buy. Let me actually mark up this one proper way for my future reference. I'm talking about this buying one. We got the green ball. Can you see this is green? Okay, the idea is this. The price has to be above, which already above, and there is making a gap. If this is prediction, okay, if this price coming down past this horizontal line, okay guys, please watch me what I'm talking about. And then if we get the arrow to buy, we can buy it to this level. And I put a level for future reference in case if happening. Let me put it here so you can see it. So if the price for the pound Canada come pass through this horizontal line, and if we get the arrow in this buying zone, we can buy to this level. Okay, this is for prediction. All this level I have it, I'm waiting. Is not active yet, so the price is here now. I talk too much, sorry. Before I go, again, pause the video and read this disclaimer. We are not responsible for your action. This is only education and information side. We try to teach you how to trade our system with our level. We give you free signal. We are not signal company. Don't blame us. Please get enough education, and whatever you do is your own risk. This is only education and information side. Please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. One more time, Happy New Year to all of you, wherever you are in the world. We are in Sydney, Australia, and time now is 7:20. Oh my god, sorry. This video is 20 minutes. I don't see anyone can sit watching because it's a long video. Anyway, I'm gonna close this video, and hopefully if I see any level, I will come back and make the other one. In the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.